Hi, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be demonstrating how to create a table and insert the data and number formatting, apply some formulas. In this example I'll be using the marks of a few students in a classroom. Okay, so let me start with the data. So in the first cell in A1 I'll be writing the header of the header, so the school name, let's say ABC International School. And I'll be writing the name of the location and the country that you can write, and here I'll be writing the serial number and then name of the student. And I'm using the tab key to move forward, and as you can see the name of the student actually showing in the screen on the screen. As you can see that the name of the student is actually on two cells exactly. By default it is not. Name of the student actually in the B3 cell only, but because of C3 is empty, that's why we could see the value that is on B3 cell. Okay, but anyway I need to write something in C3. So as soon as I write something in C3 like the name of the subject, so immediately that disappears. Actually it is hidden behind the column C. So what I need to do is to extend the width of the column B. So to do that, just to click on the borders between B and C and drag, click and hold it and move towards the right side, or you can double click. So how do I double click? Let's say this is the default cell width. Now if I'm double clicking between B and C column, then automatically it adjusts to the content. Now let me write the next subject, English, Math, and then IT. Also I need the total and average. And 1 to 10 students in this classroom, so I'll be writing 10 numbers and writing some random names. Let's say John, Michael, Sarah, Smith. I need to click enter in order to go down, and then Arun, then Steve, Marshall, Jacob, okay. And then I need to write some numbers. The numbers are between 0 to 100. In this scenario, let me generate some numbers using a function, but you don't have to worry about the function for now. Just write the numbers, just fill the numbers only. To make the process easier, I'm using a function to generate some random numbers. Okay, so I got some numbers. In your case you can write the numbers manually because these are randomly generated numbers. Okay, so next portion is the total. How do I find the total? To write the total I need to insert the formula. So to start with the formula, put an equal sign, then use the mouse and click the cell because I need the sum of English, Math, and IT. So click English, then plus, then Math, then plus IT. Click enter. So I need to repeat the same, but in Excel you don't have to repeat if it is the same thing, because Excel has relative references, so that if you copy the formula, you can copy this formula by clicking and holding the fill handle and drag till down, so automatically it adds all the numbers respective to that cells. Now I need to find the average. Average is equal to total divided by 3 subjects, so division symbol, then 3. Then drag all the way down. It has about decimal. Let me select all the range, and then here let me hide all the decimal numbers. Now what I did so far is I did the data entry, and also I did some calculation. I generated some data based on some formulas. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do is to apply the formats. To apply the format, in this case I'm selecting A1 till G1 and then click merge and center, so all the cells to become one, and then just increasing the font size. And the second one, let me keep this data at the very center and increase the font size a little bit, and also I want the English, math and IT and total and average to be the same width actually. So to do that, select the range and then click any of the borders between C and D, D and D, or E and F. Okay, in this case let me pick E and F. We can hold it, drag a little bit forward, then all these width C, D, E, F and G, all these columns are having the same width. Now let me keep these numbers at the center and this one also at the center. Okay, now I would like to have some little width, little height of all these rows. So I selected all the rows and then just slightly increase the width. Now as you can see that all these rows having the same width. Now let me keep the data at the very center. Okay, everything is done. Now let me do some coloring. So applying some colors. And selecting this range and apply the borders. Let me choose more border because I need a light color, so let me choose a light color, and then outline and inside. I got this. And now let me select the range and apply the borders, bold. And also one thing I can do, like the total. Okay, total, let me apply condition formatting. Let me choose color scales to show who is better, like that. So in this case I'll choose this one. Yeah, so green, the top green yellow color scale. Okay, that's it. And then this one bold. Yeah, that's it. So I insert the data and then I generate some data, then I formatted it. These are 3 things I did with this table. Okay, thank you for watching.